Hola, my beautiful amigas. Welcome to our channel. I am so excited to have you here. My name is Dulce Candy, and I have been on a mission to help women like you on your journey to feeling great from the inside out. Whether it's finding inner peace, loving yourself, or staying healthy, we're in this together. I have been creating content for almost 20 years now, believe it or not, and I'm here to share all of my experience as a mom, wife, immigrant, veteran, author, and now a yoga and meditation teacher. My passion? Helping you discover your true self so that you can live a life in alignment, full of vitality, purpose, passion, service, and vibrancy. Here, you're gonna find lots of cool stuff like guided meditations to help you relax, delicious recipes to boost your health, fun journaling prompts, and even behind-the-scenes vlogs showing you how I live a balanced life. And I wanna let you know that you're not alone on this journey. You can look forward to building a community with other awesome mujeres who are on their spiritual and wellness journey as well. So make sure to drop by every single week for new videos made just for you. And if you like what you see and hear, hit that subscribe button and let's take this journey together.